All right, I'm the flat rate master, and today we're talking about why you should have the flat rate mindset even if you're on hourly. All right, before I get all the hate comments, I'm talking about not hacking, not trying to figure out how you can cut stuff apart. Not talking about hacking. I'm not talking about, that kind of stuff. I'm talking about efficiency. Even if you're hourly, you might have a efficiency bonus for hitting certain numbers. You just want to do a good job. What I mean by a flat rate mentality is you're always looking for time savers, stuff to save you time, multitasking. Examples of that, of wasting time. The infamous technician lean. When you got a car going up and you're just sitting there leaning, you might be on your phone, twiddling around. You're just wasting time. During the course of a repair, you also want to have as much efficiency while a vehicle's stationary. You want to do as much as you can on one level, move it to the next level, do what you need to do, and then move it back to where you need to go, hopefully out the door. It's all about efficiency, maximizing the amount of time you're working on the car instead of twiddling around. There's lots of examples of that. When you're draining oil, check the air pressure. Or while it's draining, pull the wheels off, do your rotate. Many things you can do while you're waiting on stuff to drain, waiting for, stuff to happen. Usually the worst thing I see with new guys is they watch oil drain. Complete waste of time. It's gonna drain. While you're draining, go get your filter, go get your oil, draining a transmission, go get your transmission fluid, go get it ready, pop all the tops off of it, stuff like that. Little things to maximize your efficiency. One of the things I do a lot of times when I'm doing like brakes or a rotate is while the lift's going up, I will grab my impact gun as I'm going over there with the right socket on it, and while the lift's going up, I will start taking lug nuts off. And when it gets to about where I need it to be, last lug nut comes off, I take the wheel off. I go around and do the rest of it, maximizing my time in little increments. A lot of guys will waste a lot of time going up and down on a lift. I can't emphasize that enough. And believe me, we all mess up. We're all sitting there going, oh man, I should have done that while it was, down on the ground. And I got to lower it back down to do that. A lot of times when I'm doing Honda timing belts, V6s, I want to put the tensioner in before I put the upper cover in, so I gotta usually, take it back out to put the cover back in because, one of the bolts is behind the tensioner. So, little things, little things. That mindset of working efficiently should be in every technician's mindset. You should go, I'm looking at this job and it says to do this, but I can sneak it out. Sometimes you can't. Sometimes you have to do something else. I was doing struts the other day and I didn't want to take the sway bar end links out on the rear of a Civic. Well, you kind of have to. So I struggled with it for a little while and finally just broke down, took them loose, and it went a lot smoother. We all have those kind of, days where we're just not wanting to do something, but we kind of have to. That's my point. You're always, as a flat rate technician, the mindset is always trying to get more efficient. Again, not talking about hacking. We're not cutting holes and stuff. We're talking about working efficiently. Figuring out, if I do this, I don't have to do that. That'll save me 10 minutes here. There's examples all over the place of just little things that you can do to improve your efficiency. For instance, in my situation, I have 2 bays. Well, if I'm waiting for something in one bay, draining coolant to do a radiator, I'm not going to start taking hoses loose, while it's draining. I can go to another vehicle and do something on that while I'm waiting for that to happen. Simple examples. You know, you're vacuum filling a cooling system. While it's filling, you can go to the other car or work on something else on that car. Don't stand there and watch it fill. Go to something else. Always be working efficiently. That's the big key to improving your efficiency numbers as a hourly salary technician, is the mindset of a flat rate technician. Now, I'm sure a few guys are going to go in the comments, oh, well, flat rate guys, all they care about is what it pays and yada, yada, yada. That's just, you know, that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is working as efficiently as you can. Improve yourself, even if you're hourly or salary. Hope you like this video. As you can see, I got a nice little war wound today. It hurt. And it was stupid. So, hope you like that. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.